Kongsi for Mama Kiwan. Auntie SK, Auntie Jonah, Auntie Cecilia, Auntie Monica, Auntie Jonah, Auntie Susan,
Uncle
Gabriel,
Uncle
Peter,
and to
all my cousins. I love you. Bye-bye. I love you. I miss you. Love you.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Bye.
Bye.
You